Okay, today we got pump that failed, water pump for this boiler. I wasn't the guy to diagnose it, but I am the guy to fix it. So first thing, let's make sure these motors are the same. 56Z, single phase, 1 horsepower, 1725, 115, 230. That looks pretty good to me. Alright. So yeah, supposedly this thing, what had happened was these gasket rings from the bracket gave out and it spun, the whole motor spun out. So, gonna be reusing this, new keyway, and should be a pretty simple swap, nothing too crazy here. Got nice scaffolding to work on and get this thing up and running.